Hello everyone, I am Radhika. Today we are going to learn about some ChatGPT prompts that will help you take your understanding to the next level. If you are interested in learning more about AI, join our 3-hour workshop. Link is in the description.
और जनाब तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
Now let's start learning. You remember how we used to give tests in school to confirm our understanding in any topics? We can do exactly same with the help of ChatGPT. For that, I am telling ChatGPT to provide me with a series of quizzes or tests on any topic. For example, time management. Okay, so provide me with a series of quizzes or tests on the topic time management at varying difficulty levels to enhance my retention and understanding. This is the prompt that I am using. You can always alter it according to your preference. Here you go. It gave me different number of questions at different levels such as beginner, intermediate or even advanced. After solving these questions, I will be confident enough that I have a strong grip on this topic. Now I am using the same prompt but my topic is Newton's first law. See, it gave me various questions at various difficulty levels. You can use this prompt before any competitive exam or any interview that you want to crack. Let's continue to our next prompt. Have you heard of Pomodoro technique? It is a technique used for effective learning. It is also mentioned in the book Atomic Habits. Before moving forward, I want to mention that AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs. Millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop in which we will teach you all about the best AI tools to upskill and increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make sure that your future is secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Now I am writing a prompt in which I am telling ChatGPT to create a study plan incorporating the Pomodoro technique to help me maintain focus and productivity while learning time management. I am using Pomodoro technique as an example. You can use any technique and any topic such as time management or anything you want to learn. See, ChatGPT is giving me day-wise formulated plan in which it has incorporated Pomodoro technique. I think it is a very cool hack to incorporate good habits in life. Now we are moving on to our next prompt. I think you must have heard that for any effective learning, you must harness the power of habit formation. In my next prompt, I will tell ChatGPT to suggest me a daily routine which will help me to incorporate my new learning in life. I am writing here that suggest ways to incorporate the learning of time management into my daily routine. Create habits that support consistent growth and progress. Here you go. It suggested all the few little habits for incorporating time management better in my life. I really liked its suggestion. While suggesting, it mentioned Eisenhower matrix technique if I am pronouncing it correctly. I am just replacing Pomodoro technique by Eisenhower matrix technique in my previous prompt. And there you go. I think now you have understood how to use these three prompts. Now let's move on to our next one. When the topic that you are trying to cover is very vast and covers a large variety of aspects, it becomes very difficult to manage it. Right there, the concept of chunking comes in. It means breaking down the topic in smaller and more manageable chunks or units. By this, you can focus on that particular smaller unit instead of fumbling between the large variety of topics. Here, I told ChatGPT to break down my topic, that is time management, and provide a structured plan for mastering each one of the units. Can you see? It chunked down the topic in a very beautiful and in a very manageable way. You can use this prompt to create a better understanding of any vast topic. Now let's move on to our fifth prompt. There is no better way of learning a topic other than asking questions about it. Here I am telling ChatGPT to guide me on how to formulate effective questions related to my topic, that is time management, that will promote deeper thinking and stimulate curiosity. Here, it did not just give me bunch of questions, but it gave me bunch of ideas on how to question. This will promote a better understanding for me on this topic. Now moving on to our next one. Sometimes when you compare a topic with another one, you get a better understanding of it. We are going to use that concept now. I am writing that help me draw parallels between my topic, that is time management, and an unrelated topic, promoting deeper understanding and the ability to apply knowledge in a situation. And here again you go, it gave me various of scenarios where time management is very important. I don't know about you, but I found this topic very interesting and very helpful to understand any topic that is alien to me. Now let's jump to our last prompt. One of the very best way to understand a topic is to explain it to someone else. I personally use this technique a lot during my exam days. Now for this, I am telling ChatGPT to develop a lesson plan for me to teach time management to a friend, reinforcing my understanding and identifying areas for my improvements. And again, it did exactly what I told it to do. Guys, if you like these prompts and want to use it without failing, I have got you covered. You will find a link in the description of a document where I have written all the 7 prompts that I have mentioned in this video. You can always go and get benefited from them. Also, if you want to use AI at its best ability, you can join our workshop. The link is in the description. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like this one, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. I will see you in my next video. Happy learning!